At first, a new slide input the PowerPoint. Okay, on and insert menu, click on insert menu, the videos, this device, click on this device. Okay, then video on, choose a videos. Okay, select on video and insert button. Okay, then video, select the small size, video size and small. Okay, then insert menu again. Okay, then saves, rectangle save and draw the full slide. Okay, and choose a slide, save color and save outline, no fill, no color. Okay, then text box, draw the text box and write on text. Select on text, on the increase the text size 250 and font change. Okay, increase the size and adjust your text. Okay, and again insert menu and text box and draw and write your text. Select all text and increase the text size. Okay, and alignment center. Okay, then font change. Okay, and adjust the text. Okay, then first click on save and control button hold second text and select third text. Okay, then save format and merge save and combine, click on combine. Okay, then okay and ready.